A priority this year, for many people, will be figuring out how to make money online. It might be a side gig to supplement your job or a completely new venture. Whatever the reason, there are a wealth of available opportunities. For quite a few of them, all you're going to need is access to a reliable internet connection and a smartphone. Work as an online assistant. A fantastic method to earn money online if you love planning, organizing, or performing administrative duties is to work as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant offers assistance to both private individuals and companies. Independent contractors make up the majority of virtual assistants. The freedom to work from wherever and the low setup expenses make it free to become a virtual assistant. Additionally, you might get an annual salary of about $60,000 on average. As a virtual assistant, you'll need to be proficient in writing, time management, and communication. It's also crucial to understand how to use internet tools and project management software. Popular systems like Asana, QuickBooks, and Google Drive are frequently used by virtual assistants. Utilizing internet marketplaces like Fiverr and Freelancer is the simplest approach to advertise your skills. As an alternative, you might register with a virtual assistant business and earn money by helping reputable clients. Launch email marketing initiatives. In 2030, there are expected to be more than approx. 10 billion email users worldwide. A potent strategy for generating leads and converting audiences into customers is email marketing. The creation of a top-notch email list is essential for carrying out a successful email marketing campaign. Add a pop-up form with a customized call-to-action button to the landing page of your website. Discounts, free delivery, freebies, and pop-up surveys are other techniques for enticing email subscribers. The intention is to create interest in your email updates. The following stage is to create and distribute email newsletters. Email marketing management is facilitated by tools like MailChimp and Constant Contact. They provide tools for tracking audience growth, engagement, and sales. Installing a newsletter plugin can improve email automation and make email creation simpler if your website is powered by WordPress. Finally, think about regularly running A/B testing to identify the most effective email methods. Work as a travel advisor. People square measure commencing to travel once more as border restrictions square measure being relaxed. This can be the chance to capture this section of business because the tourer section is growing. For each individual and company, travel specialists produce the last word of travel expertise. Travelers or residents of UN agency relish recommending the simplest places in the city to earn cash online and would love this profession. However, you will additionally perform this work remotely. In the US, a travel consultant's basic pay is usually about $80,000 each year. Advantages of the use embrace a versatile work schedule and also the probability to travel. Learn about common travel management software package choices to start your profession. If you wish to extend your name, consider taking categories in business enterprise, welcome, or an overseas language. On your website, advertise your services. Contemplate obtaining concepts from travel advisors like Adventures and Impulse Travel Consultants. As another, register to figure as a visit planner or travel authority on websites like Rico. Make a podcast. The most lucrative internet business venture is starting a podcast. Over the past several years, the number of podcast listeners has continuously grown around the world. By 2024, it's expected to possess more than 500 million listeners. You will require a laptop and some other devices like a microphone to accomplish the podcasts. To enhance recording quality, however, we advise making a decent audio equipment and software investment. You may create a podcast on any subject, including real crime and financial advice. The top ones are Spotify, Buzzsprout, Resonate, Anchor, and others. Most podcasts mostly rely on sponsorships for funding. Once your podcast has gained a following, think about joining production companies like Podfly or Pacific Content. To expand your brand, audience, and level of quality, make sure to advertise the podcast on websites like your own, social media, and other channels. The brand identification and discoverability of the podcast may be improved with the use of an audio player and a theme. Provide services for digital marketing. By providing marketing services, you may assist business owners in attracting their target markets and enhancing sales performance. These services could involve social media management and SEO tactics. If you're already familiar with these ideas or want to improve your talents, it's a terrific method to generate money. SEO services may improve a website's SERP position, increase traffic, and increase lead generation. To provide these services, you must possess SEO expertise such as link building and keyword research. Conversely, offering social media management services entails creating and carrying out marketing strategies for numerous social media sites. Better audience involvement and increased brand awareness are fostered by these efforts. A competent social media manager should monitor social media data for improved outcomes, determine a brand's target audience, and stay up with trends. You may study SEO with the aid of a variety of sites. To further your expertise, think about obtaining an SEO certification from respected websites like the SEMrush Academy or enrolling in a Google Analytics course. Take social media marketing classes to learn about the pertinent principles, tools, and tactics. On Coursera, you can find great materials, and on Udemy, you can sign up for expensive marketing courses. Offer your services on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Freelancer when you're ready to make money off of your expertise. For a long-term career in this industry, think about applying a digital marketer to a marketing firm. Streaming video games. Streaming has been quite popular in recent years, averaging 2.5 million viewers hebdomadally on Twitch alone. If you're keen on being in front of the camera and are talented at playing video games, it is the perfect method to earn money online. Gaming might be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Broadcasters will receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner standing. Learn additional regarding the thanks to creating cash on Twitch. Streamers will take gratuities from their audience and add cash through partner programs offered by streaming sites like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. Merchandise sales, sponsorships, and whole agreements are different sources of making money for game streamers. Writing content. Think about the topics that you can write about a lot. Some topics are really important in our routine life. For instance, a topic on which you can write a unique content: weight loss exercises or seafood benefits for healthy life. Such topic about you have enough knowledge to write about a minimum of 2,000 to 3,000 valuable words on one topic. And publish on some heavy traffic popular platform to get a link with the people like Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And this valuable content provides some advantages to readers and definitely will make you famous in that category soon. And people will know you and more traffic to your content will reach that is resultant of passive income online. Alright. That's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.